little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So till now we just saw how to apply the hover and how to change the color of the text for the visited link, right? So now we are going to see about how if the link is active, then that its color should be changed to the other color. Okay, so what we do is active active and color of the text we will change it to red. Okay, so this is how, if the link is active, then link is active means it is unvisited link. Okay, if it is unvisited link or if it is the selected link, then the color should be changed to red. And next, for unvisited link, the link color, the text color of the link should be in a let's change it to black. It will be in the black color itself. Okay, so if it is unvisited link, then the color will be black, and if it is active link, then the red, visited link blue, and the hover, the background color will be yellow. Okay, hope this is clear. I'll show you the output at the end of the class. Okay, so now next we will see if I want to uh, decorate the text for the links. You can apply there text decoration and you can use underline. Okay, we already saw this, right? So you can apply the underline, line through, or none, whatever you want you can apply. Whether you also apply the background color for visited links, active link, and the normal links. Okay, now if I want to mention the link in a button, it should look like a button, then how to use it? All right, let's see. Now I'll just use yeah. Okay, so for I'll just remove this and all together we will write. Here I'm applying the buttons for the whenever you just whenever you just hold the mouse on the link, it should apply a border for your link. Okay, it will look like button. All right, now background color yellow I have given, I will change it to red. Okay, and underline I'll remove. Okay, so next text color will be, if it is background is a red, then we'll apply white color text, and padding I'm applying here, that is 14 px and 25 px. Okay, and then text align, center, and then text. Okay, and then display, it should be inline block. All right, so this is for hover. And now let's see, control yes, let's go for the web page, and yeah, we'll see here. You can see, right? If you just hold your mouse pointer on it, it is changing. This only you can also change it. If you do not want this to have apply for the hover part, you can just mention their link and it will be changed. Yeah, you can see here it is changed, but the color is applying here the pink color, right? Now why it is applying the pink color? Because we have used here anchor tag color pink. So let's remove this and only apply the white color will be applied, because we have changed the text color to white. Okay, so this is also not applying, this is applying a blue color with underline. Okay, so now what I do is I would like to remove this. Here text green it is taking. Okay, that is fine. Transform, capitalize a link. Okay, so yeah, let's remove this text decoration, none. Okay, and then let's see. Yeah, text decoration I have removed. Right now, if I want to apply, yeah, now if you want to apply a hover to this, like a hover, and background color should change to blue, and color of the text should turn to white. So let's see what will happen. Okay, yeah, you can see here, if I change it, it is turning to the white color and the blue color background, right? Okay, now this is how you can apply the hover for the inline block. If you just mention here, instead of inline block, if you just mention here block, then yeah, you can see here it is applying, it is taking the whole screen width, it is applying as a block. Okay, so instead of using like this, we should use only inline block. It means it will just apply for that button's width. Okay, now, all right, so next we will see how to how to create the list and how to list your contents on your web page. All right, now I will just remove this. Yeah, let it be. Now, how to create the list? For that you have to create there are two types of list. One is unordered list and another one is ordered list. So we will see unordered list first. UL is the tag we use for the unordered list, and then you will make list inside that unordered list. Okay, now here what I'm doing is, okay, so now we are creating a list of contents, and in that I am creating list of some three lists we are creating, and you have to create an anchor link for that, and href is equals to something, anything is fine, just a link should be there. For example, yeah, again we will take google.com. Okay, https. All right, and here this is a list of, for example, home. Close the anchor tag, close the list. Okay, just copy this and create some 3 to 4 lists, and here let's change contact, news, course. Let's make it about. Okay, let it, the link will be same, and that is fine, and close the unordered list. So this is how we create unordered list. So let's see how, what will be the changes on this web page when you create some list on your page. So how it will be displayed, you can see here it is applying for this also. Why it is applying? The list is created. So first of all I would like to show without any decorations, so that, yeah, save. Let's go back, refresh your page. Yeah, you can see here home, course, about, contact, these are the links. So the mouse is, the mouse pointer is changing the thing, right? And also you can see here bullets are applied. I did not apply any bullets, but when you create unordered list, it will apply the bullets. Okay, and when you want to create, when you do not want this to be listed one below the other, then you have to use there. So here what we are doing is list. In the style section I'm giving some I'm applying some decorations for it. So list display inline. let's check. Yeah, you can see here home course about contact, right? Now we can apply the padding for it, we can apply the blocks for it, and we can apply the hover, different colors and the background color. We can create a navigation bar and a drop down menus by using only the the unordered list and ordered lists. Okay, so through these only we can we can create the navigation bar, the horizontal navigation bar, vertical navigation bar, that we will see now. Okay,